Just got off the phone with a fellow, not my client. He's selling his home. He accepted an as-is offer. His lawyer just sent him a message from the buyer's attorney asking for repairs and concessions based on a property inspection. Caller couldn't understand why he was getting that letter at all in an as-is situation. He is growing very mistrustful of his realtor and of the lawyer. He thinks they're no longer representing his best interest, but instead they're doing what it takes to preserve their opportunity to earn a commission, to close the deal, to get paid a fee. And I kind of understand where he's coming from, because he's telling me he had no idea that the buyer might make requests even after they made the as-is contract. He made the mistake of taking the buyer at their words. But as between the seller, the listing broker, and the attorney, there's a problem. Because in this business, as you know, our reputations are everything. And when a client no longer has our trust or confidence, we've lost their goodwill, we've lost their future business, and that's a long-term damage. How do you manage these situations? Well, you let the seller know early and often that just because the buyer said as is doesn't mean the buyer's going to treat the deal as an as-is contract. They may well ask for concessions. Those concessions might be worthy of consideration if it's a serious problem that nobody knew about, if it's easier to throw a small bone to the buyer to keep the deal moving forward, if it's going to be difficult to relist or resell the property. But the seller should also know that they have your full confidence and support if they decide they don't want to deal with this buyer anymore and kick them to the curb. The way you approach this with your seller matters. They need to know what to expect. They need your recommendations. But they need to know that they're in control of the transaction and that you're not pressuring them one way or another. If you have any questions about these sorts of problems or any other issues representing buyers or sellers, please feel free to give us a call. We're happy to speak with you. Until the next deal.